How to make a logo in Canva. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to create a logo in Canva. So let's get started. Simply open up your canva.com and you will get right here. We know that we can create logos, videos, presentations, anything on Canva. So I'm gonna go with this logo layout right here, which is 500 by 500. So once you select it, it will take you to your canvas right here, and this is going to be my logo. We get a lot of different templates to choose from. So if you want to go for a template, you can go ahead and do that and customize a template. But I will be going with my own custom logo. So first of all, I'm going to change my background color, and we can just go to colors right here and we can choose any kind of color. All right, so this is the background color for my logo. Then we can go to elements and we can search for any kind of element to add to our logo. So I am actually creating a logo for a coffee shop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for coffee. And there you go. You can see we have a lot of different graphics and logos. So I'm going to go with this one right here. And I'm going to just add it to my logo right here. And we can just, place it in the middle or like a little above. There you go. Now, text is an important part when it comes to creating a logo. So I can go with any kind of, already created template. From here, you can see we have font templates available that I can go for. Or I can just, type the text here. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to type my, cafe name. Okay, so it's called a Cafe Alimia. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change my font from here, and we can just select any kind of font. So now let's just kind of like see which one goes with our theme of our restaurant or our cafe. So you can go with any of these from here. All right, so this is the font that I'm going with, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually increase the size a little bit. And now what we can do is we can add different more elements to it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to elements and I'm gonna search for some lines, and you can add more elements to your logo right here. And once it's done, once your logo is done, you're good to go, and then you can just save it from here. And then I'm gonna click on download and download it as a PNG and then share it with my client or save it for myself. So this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.